Today we will use ACE Plus workflow to change the girl dress or costume into a traditional attire. To get the best results, the target image should be a medium shot. That means we also need a medium shot reference for the costume. In simple terms, the outfit you're trying to copy must appear in a similar frame as the target. This helps the system match details more accurately, from body proportions to how the clothes fit. Now, we'll open the mask editor and draw a mask over the area where we want to change the outfit. Make sure to include all parts of the frame where the clothes will appear. This step helps define exactly which areas the new outfit should replace. I'll draw the mask just below her ears as well, so I can copy the earrings. Since I'm including earrings in the prompt, they need to be inside the mask area to transfer properly. I'm skipping the rendering part here, and as you can see, we got the result we wanted. The costume has been transferred exactly as we planned. We've transformed the look from a leather jacket girl to a traditional attire girl. Now, I'll place the images side by side for a clear comparison. You can see how well the costume is transferred using the AC Pluxoff model and workflow. Let me know in the comments if you'd like the workflow. I'll be happy to share it.